How to translate from English to another language and then send that message on WhatsApp. Go to Google Translate and then start typing the message that you want in English. It will be putting it in Spanish for us, or the language that you need, and correcting as it goes. Hint, hint, this is a good way to be practicing a new language that you're studying also. Here I'm ordering organic eggs. I could be making a dental or a doctor's appointment. I could be requesting for a taxi pickup, or making an appointment for physical therapy, or just getting together with new friends. When you finish typing, move down to this blue space and then click where the share button is. See the little square with an arrow. And then you hit WhatsApp. See the icon? It automatically goes there and you search in the name of the person you want to send that message to. On the right top, hit send. That message has been translated and goes straight to them. Now, wasn't that easy? That's it. Be sure to subscribe to learn about life in Huatulco and to learn about retiring in Mexico also, because we do share 25 years experience with you. Do you need a virtual mailbox so you can take care of business and personal communication on a daily basis? Are you interested in expat or nomad insurance that's highly affordable? Click our links below. We'll be back soon.